Hi everybody, in this video I'm showing you how I created these brown almond gel nails. I started with cleaning the surface of my natural nail with rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe. You can also use paper towel, and I'm using 70% rubbing alcohol. This will be to clean my nails of any debris, oil, as well as dehydrating the nails for the next step. You want to make sure that you clean under your nails as well before you apply any nail extension. I'm using my 100-180 grit nail file to lightly scratch and buff the surface of my natural nail to create texture for the false nail to be able to adhere to. Now we have our lightly buffed nails prepped and ready to go. You want to make sure to wipe the surface of your natural nail again to get everything off and clean and ready for your next step. Now that my nails are prepped, I use any base coat gel as the first polish that I apply to my natural nails, as well as what the adhesive will be to the full cover nail tips. I'm using the Kiara Sky gel polish lamp, the one that came with their kit. And I really like this lamp. I feel like it's helpful for when you're trying to apply your own full press on nails without needing someone to help you. I apply a bit of the base coat gel on the inner part of the nail where it'll be meeting my natural nail. These nails are actually full cover. I got these from Amazon and they come pre-etched on the inside, so you don't have to buff it yourself, just to kind of skip a step and be a little bit faster. I'm just making sure the edges have no gel coat on them, and I'm turning the nail lamp so I can be ready to go with the placement of the full cover nail tip on top. This one was tough. If you haven't done it in a while, the first nail back is a little awkward with the hand placement. As soon as I feel like I have the nail in the right placement, I put it in for a full cure before I move on to the next nail. I kind of turn my fingers side to side to make sure the light gets everywhere, and I also flip it upside down just in case. And that's one nail done. And once you get the hang of it, this process goes pretty quick and you can do a full set in probably 15 minutes. And I'm just going to repeat this process for each of my fingers. I apply a thin layer of gel base coat. Use the same base coat and apply that on the inside of the full cover nail tip. That'll be the adhesive to our nails. I try to concentrate it in the middle before I apply. Once I'm happy with that, I place the nail on top of my natural nail, close to the cuticle but not on it, and press downward to get any air bubbles out. I use a little brush with some rubbing alcohols just in case any base gel comes out, in case I put a little bit too much. That way it doesn't cure on my skin or on top of the nail. You'll see me doing the same steps on all 10 nails. I'm just speeding it up here to save you some time. This is one of the easiest ways I'm able to do long almond nails fast without having to shape them or worry about building an apex or anything more complicated than this. in case I ever feel like I have to go back in and adjust the placement of the nail, you'll see that I'll cure for a couple seconds, pull it back out, take a look, squeeze the nail back down, and make sure it's exactly how I want it, that no air bubbles are stuck. After applying the nail tips, I wipe down the surface of the nail with rubbing alcohol again and a lip-free wipe. Next, I'm applying the brown gel nail color. This is a Kiara Sky color, and I'll include a link to that below. I love this color, but I feel like it's a little bit on the sheer side, so I do 2 to 3 coats until I'm happy with the color. And on the last coat, I kind of just focused that mainly on the extension part of the nail, where you can see more of the transparency, so it's more opaque. Once you're happy with that, do a full cure in your lamp. Now I'm grabbing a white color gel and I'm using that with the nail art brush. I'm using that in order to create kind of like what a French nail tip looks like, but just half of that. I'm just starting out with nail art, so you'll see that I adjust the shape and the lines a lot. Just keep going until you're happy with it. The good thing is that with gel, there's no time limit until you cure. I'm using another brush with rubbing alcohol to perfect the line and to clean off any nail polish from the edge. Now I'm curing that for 60 seconds. Next, I'm applying Top Coat Gel, and I'm using that as the adhesive for the rhinestones to stick to. I'm using the opposite end to move the rhinestones until I'm happy with the placement of those. And when you're ready, you can cure for a full 60 seconds. After I'm done adding any rhinestones I want, I apply one more coat of the top coat over that to secure the rhinestones a bit better so I don't have to worry about them falling off or anything like that. And I finish off with cleaning the nails with a lip-free wipe and rubbing alcohol. And that's it. The last step is you can apply your cuticle oil and your nails are done. Thank you for watching.